These kenmore washers have some defects. On this back hinge, it's very weak. You can see how it just shakes. The entire hinge is broken, and this portion here you can see how it's spread apart. To fix this temporarily, I'm going to put a bolt between here and the face. I'll drill a hole all the way through. We can put the bolt all the way through to pull everything together. The same thing to the bottom. Slide the bolts in, tighten up the bolt. Not pretty, but when you gotta wash clothes, you gotta wash clothes, right? Nice and tight. Feels nice and tight, just like new, right? That hinge is a lot tighter. We'll see if it leaks. Even though it's ugly, it's not leaking. Now we can buy just the plastic ring for the outside, but it's like $180, and it'll probably break again because the part's defective. Once I know it works, we'll be able to cut the bolts off so it looks a little better. It ran through a load, so we don't have any leaks. We'll go ahead and cut these bolts off. Still not pretty, but it works. This will buy us some time so we can figure out what we want to do with this.